डायरेक्शन मिला है कि दोनों करना है।
The Meghalaya government has decided to involve community in a larger scale in anti-drugs operation. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh informed that the government has been able to penetrate in Meghalaya area, where a town Darbar of Meghalaya has come forward to donate a piece of land for building a rehabilitation centre as well as counselling centre for people affected with drugs.
We are also coming up with a formula whereby we involve the community on a larger scale in anti-drugs operations. One major area where we have been able to penetrate into is Meghalaya. The town Darbar has come forward and has offered a plot of land on which we will be building facilities for rehabilitation of drug addicts and also counseling centers.
The Chinchona Sports Club, Baham